Fluent English practice.
Good evening. Here is the menu.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
The grilled chicken is very popular.
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of orange juice, please.
With ice.
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
All right. I'll bring your order soon. Here is your grilled chicken and orange juice.
Thank you. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. That will be $18.
Here is $20.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. It looks delicious. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a summer dress.
What size do you need?
Size S, please.
What color are you looking for?
I like light colors, maybe yellow or pink.
Here are some yellow and pink dresses.
This pink one looks nice.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
It's on the right side, near the mirror.
Thanks. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $25.
I'll take it. Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, we accept mobile payments.
Great. By the way, do you sell hats too?
Yes, you can find them near the entrance.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Good day. Welcome to our hotel.
Good day. I have a room reservation.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
One moment, please. Yes, here it is.
How much is the room per night?
$80 with breakfast.
Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free.
When is breakfast?
From 6:30 to 9:30.
Where is it served?
on the first floor, next to the lobby.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, it's right around the corner.
Great. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Here is your key, room 210.
Thanks. When do I check out?
By 10 a.m.
All right. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay. Good day. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Where are the vegetables?
The vegetables are on the right side.
Thanks. And where can I find rice?
Rice is in aisle 3.
Do you have orange juice?
Yes, it's in the fridge near the dairy section.
Great. I also need bananas.
Fruits are near the entrance on the left.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Where is the cashier?
The cashier is straight ahead near the exit.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Good day. That's $14.80.
Here you go.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Do you need a bag?
That's fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Hello. Good day.
Good day.
What would you like?
I would like a coffee.
With milk.
Yes, please. With milk.
And sugar.
No, without sugar.
Would you like some cake chew?
Yes. What do you have?
We have apple cake and chocolate cake.
I'll take the apple cake.
Here is your coffee and apple cake.
Thank you. How much is it?
That's $5.80.
Here's $10.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.